Contingent means something that depends on another thing. It means one thing cannot happen alone. It happens only when another condition is met. In very simple words, contingent means dependent on something else. If the condition changes, the result can also change. Understanding with easy explanation. When we say something is contingent, we mean there is an if condition. If this happens, then that will happen. If this does not happen, then that will not happen. Examples with explanation. Our picnic plan is contingent on the weather. If the weather is good, we will go. If the weather is bad, we will not go. The football match is contingent on rain stopping. If rain stops, the match will start. If rain does not stop, the match will be canceled. His success is contingent on hard work. If he works hard, he can succeed. Without hard work, success will not come. More simple sentences. The exam is contingent on the teacher's decision. Our trip is contingent on permission from parents. The job offer is contingent on passing the interview. The project is contingent on enough money. Daily life examples. Pocket money is contingent on good behavior. Watching TV is contingent on finishing homework. Going outside is contingent on completing chores. Student sentence. My exam result is contingent on my preparation. Easy memory trick. Contingent equals depend plus condition.